All right, guys, I bring you one of the biggest airdrop that you can ever lay your hands on in 2024. It is the hot airdrop that is being powered by the Near blockchain. It's being powered by Near, and not just that, guys. Binance is backing this airdrop up. Binance is backing it. OKS is backing it also. In fact, several big names in the industry are backing up this airdrop. Now, you may be wondering what's so special about this, right? You may be wondering what's so special about this. Um, One of the things that is special about this particular airdrop is the total supply. The total supply is around 400,000. But wait, I am not just about telling you how to make money using this airdrop. Okay, I'm not just about telling you how to start. I want to show you how to rapidly increase your mining rate. Can you see how mine is mining? Can you see it? Can you see it? How is mining? I want you to take a look at this here. Take a look at this here. I am making 0.05 hot per hour. Imagine if I've known this since, it's today I just activated this now. If I had known this since now, I would have been making a whole lot of money, crazy money. So I'm going to tell you what I did so that you too can do the same, and you will be making money. Already you can see that I've made 12. I think it was 15 before. It was around 15, right? If I'm not mistaken, it was around 15. Okay. So um let me show you how to get started. Number one, then I will show you how to amplify the speed that you'll be making this kind of very fast return. See the way this one is increasing very fast. All right, so let's go there. Right, click on the link. You click on the link. When you click on the link, you're gonna have let me take you there. Yeah, it's gonna bring you to Telegram. Okay, it's gonna bring you to Telegram. Just a minute, please. So when you click on the link, it's gonna bring you to Telegram, right? Once it brings you to Telegram, don't forget this open wallet. Yes, by the time you click on app, you will see open wallet. Okay, so you click on the open wallet. Click on the open wallet. All right, by the time you are done clicking on the open wallet, this is where you come to mine every 2 hours. You see this storage, you click on it, you click on the storage, then see this hot, this claim hot. Every 2 hours you come and claim it. You come and claim it every 2 hours. All right, now you may be wondering, how else do I make more money? Since this is just 400,000 supply, it's very possible you can see one of these going to $100 and above. Okay, I just pray it does that. If it does that, this can be just $1,200 that will be sitting in our account. In fact, you can even see $200 per one. Anything is possible. All right, so how do you do it? Let me show you how you multiply your earnings. The first one is through referrals. I don't want to waste time there because majority of us know that. Just share your link and your friends use it like that. But what I want to focus on is this place where you see boost. Can you see it? Boost. And I'm going to tell you the step that I took. So I click on this boost. Then I started from the first one. Okay, this modular storage. I'm going to show you what it's about. I click it. Can you see it? So instead of clicking every 2 hours, now see the level that I'm operating in. I don't want to go and upgrade anything. See the level, I'm at level 3. All right, just a minute. So I'm at level 3, and that level 3 I claim every 4 hour. You see that? Every 4 hour. So because I will not have the time to be coming online and be checking all the time, so 4 hour. If I want to upgrade it to another level, here is level 4, where I can be claiming every 6 hours. However, level 4 is going to cost me 1 hot. Can you see it? It's going to cost me 1 hot. So for every level you are going, the higher the level, the more hot you're going to pay to upgrade to that level. All right. Okay, so that was what I did. There was an upgrade, so I'm not claiming every 2 hours. I think with time I may just set this 6 hours so that I can just log in few times in a day. All right, guys, so let's move to the next point. That was the first thing I did. The second one was this new fireplace. This new fireplace. You can see I'm at level 3 or level 4 there. So let's check it out. So what does this do? If I want to upgrade now, okay, it's going to cost me five coin. All right, to earn what? To earn 0.03 per hour. So that means that in 3 hours it's going to give you 0.9 0.09 coin. Do you get it? That's at level 5, but currently I'm at level 4, where I'm earning what? 0.025 per hour. So with this one, it means in 2 hours I'm earning 0.05. You get it? So the more you upgrade, the more you earn per hour. Don't go and use all your coin for upgrade though. I didn't use all, and I don't think I'm upgrading beyond this level again. Yes, because I don't know how long this is gonna. I think very soon they'll be launching this. All right, so this is the second thing that I do. I'm going to tell you the third one, which is the most effective, that I will advise you also to do. Just follow. So this is oh, I've clicked on claim hot. All right, this is the third one. This is the one that I did that boosted my earnings. Can you see? So you come to this place. I don't. Okay, you come to this open mission. This open mission. Can you see it? Yes, you click on it. You click on it. So you can see that I've completed all the missions. What did I do? Number one, you download the mobile app. Okay, that's the first mission. When you download it, you now click there. You click there to to tick the option that you've completed the mission. Number two, you're going to send 0.5 near. You can send it from Binance, you can send it from OKS, you can send it from other sites, okay, other exchanges. Then you're going to send 1 USDT. Now instead of the 1 USDT, Binance didn't allow me to withdraw 1, so I had to withdraw 10. 10 is the least, and then you have to refer a friend. If you are able to complete, now let me say something about sending 0.5 near. All right, if you are sending 0.5 near, there will be some deductions, so I will advise you to send 0.65 near, so that after the deduction you still be having 0.5 near. All right, guys, by the time you are done with this, Do you know what's going to happen? See what they wrote here. They say uranium boxes boost mining speed by 1 times 5 times 2 times 3 times. Are you getting what is happening now? So my mining speed is boosted now. This is not the average mining speed that everyone is using. See how fast it's moving, guys. See, see, see how fast the number is changing. So I don't need to come here and be tapping anything. No, no, no. I've boosted it. All right. And I can't run out of gas fees. I can't. Why? Look at this gas. Let me click on the gas. You can see I've completed stuffs. You see this deposit near this last one. When you deposit it, you have unlimited gas. So gas cannot be my issue again. You get it? So guys, this is it. If you do this, you're going to accumulate a lot of hot coin. If you've gotten value, why don't you click on the like button so that others can see this? Also comment, drop your comment below, and my link is also there if you want to use it, definitely. But in any way that you can, okay, support us, encourage us so that we can do more. The more you guys are dropping your comments, liking the videos, sharing, the more I'll be able to do more videos for you. All right. Do remain blessed.